Hi, I'm Teia Golden, and today we're going to tour 3353 Woodland Drive, located in Meadows, Idaho, just 7 miles from Brundage and 2 miles from Last Chance Road, with snowmobile trails and mountain biking trails. There's a 3-car garage attached to the home and a 1-car garage detached. Plenty of room to store all your outdoor gear. When you come through the front door, you'll notice the really high ceilings in the living room and the gorgeous fireplace. A new wood-burning stove insert was put in and comfortably heats the home in the winter. In addition to a new wood stove, a new HVAC to cool the home in the summer was installed. The main bedroom is on the first floor and has a private bathroom and is across the home from the other 2 bedrooms downstairs. There's a second main bedroom on the 2nd floor with a private bath and a wood-burning fireplace. The back of this home will be your favorite spot to listen to the creek pass by and host the most entertaining company. Thanks for touring 3353 Woodland Drive. If you'd like to see more, give me a call.